So this is just a quick overview of a really cool feature that Canva has built in, and that is the accessibility checker. So any design you do, Canva has the ability to check it for accessibility. So we have a design here, and I can already see a few issues it's going to flag, but in order for it to run an accessibility check, I will go up to File, go down to Settings, and then over to Check Design Accessibility. And it's going to run an accessibility. It'll tell me whether the typography is okay, if that's readable, meaning like are your fonts readable, are they hard to see, color contrast, and it tells me I have one issue. So when I click on it, it'll tell me what that issue is. I have low contrast text, and you can tell there it's very hard to read that heading. It will tell me the current color, and it will apply a suggested color. So I'm going to change the color based on its suggestion and go back to view all issues. And now you see I have a green check because now my color contrast is great. This down one here is alternate text. Now alt text is a very important tool and a good habit to get into. Alt text essentially describes the appearance or function of an image on a web page. And it is also read aloud if someone is using a screen reader. So for example, if I had alt text on the Statue of Liberty, a screen reader would say Statue of Liberty or image of Statue of Liberty. And this is good for many reasons. First of all, for people with visual impairments or low vision, it gives them that ability to know what's going on in that image. But also, a lot of people don't realize if an image fails to load or if even a search engine indexes it, that will be read there. So let's say this image doesn't load properly due to internet issues, someone could still tell what was there in that place. So several reasons why you might want that. So I'm going to go ahead and add alternate text to this. And one other cool thing Canva does, it will actually suggest the alt text for you. So let's say you've done a huge presentation and you're going back and you have a ton of images to add alt text to. It won't take you that long if you'll use Canva's Suggest for Me. And I'm going to use that today. I'm going to click Suggest for Me. And it's going to say a black and white photo of the Statue of Liberty, which is exactly what it is. Now let's say you have an image that is just decorative. So this background image is really just decorative. Then I can click on that and I can add alt text and mark as decorative. That way it doesn't need alt text. It won't be flagged in my accessibility check. So I'm going to do that and save. So just really cool features just to make sure that any design or anything you're putting out to colleagues or students has that accessibility. Definitely use that accessibility checker built within Canva. Thanks.